Right, welcome ladies and gents. I'm Jasper. We're about to cross the road, go see Nick and the R32 Skyline. Here he is. I believe he's got a fresh new haircut as well. Actually. Some more work on this soon. Needs some pretty major work actually. Anyway, here he is. So I believe Nick is going to be doing the vacuum hoses today. Everyone remember this? More work on this soon, maybe. How's it going?
Hello.
He said hello. If you can. Have you got that on?
I've got them both on. I'm going to turn them off in a sec.
I was going to say. He's got money to burn, ladies and gents. He's got money to burn, literally. Anyway.
It's so cold. We've got to put the bloody
he's bloody.
Down, I think.
It is bloody freezing. How's it going?
All right. You all right?
I'm good. We're already filming. We're rolling. Car nonsense over there. I like that actually. Obviously, it's not a good place for it because it hides hides a dyno. But
it's just too cold to come out here and actually do anything proper.
Cheers, Colin, again for that. So, I've already explained to them we're going to be doing
the vacuum hose.
The vacuum hose.
On the actuators.
I can't get in.
Car's locked itself.
I can't get. Bloody.
Just kick it back a little bit.
I'm not kicking anything. Just tell me off. Right, anyway. Oh, let's hope the camera doesn't bitch out on.
Yeah, the light should be right.
Did you watch that video?
It was a bit grainy.
It was weird, wasn't it?
It wasn't great.
Very weird. Anyway.
We need a new phone, mate.
I may have ordered one. Well, so I have actually ordered one for like filming and stuff like that, guys. The Google Pixel 6 Pro, but it turns out it's grainy as well.
Oh no!
I looked at it comparisons to the iPhone 13. Anyway, this isn't tech review.
No.
Let's have a look.
Right, so I've got to go in the car, unlatch the bonnet because bonnet catches. I've got to do this bit first. Yeah. Swap sides.
Oh, all right then.
Swap sides.
Fine. Oh, he's undressing the car, ladies and gents.
Oh, it's locked itself, hasn't it?
Yeah, that was that big beep. Loads of people complained about that bloody horn beeping.
Good.
Just as an FYI, just like I did.
So I think this might be the.
Fucking what a son of a bitch! He's done it again.
Can't tell that exactly.
He's done it again.
Sorry. That one was on purpose. The other one wasn't. Right.
Oh, there she is. Complete with hoses to go on.
Hoses everywhere. I'd like a light here, but I don't think I'm going to get one. So
I can turn one on the camera whilst it's recording. Actually.
My phone, can't we?
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Well, we'll do two because. I mean, that is perhaps
That's why I got that
the shittest light ever.
It's rubbish, isn't it?
Anyway.
Right,
So what? Basically, we're just swapping hoses over, aren't we?
Swapping
the metal clips.
These are the metal clips. I didn't buy the metal clip. You can buy a proper tool to cut them. But I didn't buy it because it's such a big tool. It wouldn't.
Oh, is it?
Spaces.
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah. Okay.
So I'm just going to cut them off with a pair of pliers.
Nice.
And if it doesn't work, I've got a billion. A billion of these.
That is true JDM.
Yeah. I can actually probably build up the 33 with the rest of these.
You know what I mean, the body panels are held on currently by them. So, yeah. That's what we're doing today.
Yeah, I'm not really looking forward to it, to be fair.
Well, I'm just going to be watching.
Yeah.
So I'm definitely looking forward to it. I think it'll be a good time for me.
Just going to be watching me get angry.
Yeah, I mean, we sort of explained it, so I think some of this will just be in time lapse for a little bit, and then if we run into any issues.
Yeah, the only downside today, it's a shadow. I thought this was a big mark on the. The only downside is because the 33 is pretty much immovable.
Yep.
It's horrible to move back and forth. We're not going to test if this works because the problem
true.
is over 5,000 and I can't just. I mean, it won't work.
Well, that's fine. At least, as long as it's ready to go.
It's new hoses,
and then we can check it. Yeah, that's fine.
It's something to do, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, yeah.
While it's sat here.
Yeah.
Right.
Winter projects. So anyway, time lapse.
Forget that I don't have an under tray. Yay!
Yes, well, yeah, bonuses. That's the same as working on the Pulsar, isn't it? No under tray. So, ladies and gents, I just thought I'd stop the time lapse there just to explain something because you may have seen briefly in the time lapse. I know me and Nick talking at the start, because we were talking actually about the diameter of this vacuum hose. This is the one which was on there that's come off, and it's significantly bigger than the vacuum hose which is going on there. I mean, I say significantly. I mean, it is kind of. You can tell a difference.
Yeah, it's definitely bigger.
Yeah. Well, I'm saying it's significantly. Like, oh, it's massive. But, I mean, yeah. I mean, it is bigger. But I said to Nick, well, actually, that might help it because then it's tighter.
Yeah, it's tighter on the actual nozzles.
Yeah.
The nozzles.
That's not at all strange. But then you also said that you noticed what you thought might actually be.
Well, there's another hose,
loose,
that's
basically.
all. Yeah, it's not. I wouldn't say it's going to be the thing that's loose, but because there's another hose, that could be the one that's split, and I just haven't looked at that one yet.
True. Oh yeah, because the other hoses. I don't think we ever said this in the last one, but the other hoses we actually couldn't find any splits on it.
Yeah.
But that's not necessarily always. You know, that's not necessarily always the reason.
It could be split somewhere and just didn't bend it in the right direction to get the split.
Exactly. So just thought we'd stop there and just sort of give you a quick update. Nick is currently.
I've got the tightest space in the world. I don't take any of these pipes off.
All right.
And I regret my decisions.
We always say that because we're always like, oh, should we just do it like this? Yeah, we'll just do it like this. And we're like, oh, we have to fucking do it the other way now.
Yeah, exactly.
So let that be a lesson, ladies and gents. Never go the easy route, because the easy route is always harder, and you'll always end up just going the harder route eventually anyway.
Basically the wrong.
So you might as well just make it easier for yourself.
Right, man.
Yeah, basically. Anyway, back to the time lapse. Nick is having an absolute nightmare with this.
It's just fiddly, and it's not a lot of room in these garages.
No, so just for perspective, this is a British garage. Garage!
6'2", aren't I? So it's
true.
to bend over so much to get in. Yeah, right.
Anyway.
Calm your tits.
My tarties are
calm?
very calm, thanks
Good.
very much. Yeah, it's bloody grainy again, never mind. So you're trying to work off the back actuator there now, aren't you? The hoses for the back actuator, is that right?
No, this is the actual boost hose that goes to the car, the controller of the car.
It goes to the car, does it? Does
Goes to inside the car.
Does it?
Fuck off.
I don't want to fucking say it.
You fucking calm down, you do.
Anyway. So
there's a T-piece that we showed in that last video.
I think,
or didn't show.
We could see it. Oh yeah, you've got it now.
Hang on.
Actually, yeah, that makes sense. So I mean, it is a bit of a nightmare job, but in fairness, we say it about removing things, and just probably ending up having to do it anyway. But it's one of those things that you just don't want to, because you'd have to remove all this. You'd have to remove the strut tab brace probably as well.
Strut brace,
and all this pipe work, and it's just a ball ache, So.
Basically, hopefully this works, because I don't want to be doing this again. And if it doesn't work, I'm definitely paying Jazz to do it. Yeah,
Jez is the for those that watched the goodbye to the Pulsar video, which yes, I trolled you. But I mean, not really, because technically I am saying goodbye to it. I don't care. I am.
You're fucking clickbait, you are.
Mate, not as clickbait as some of these car channels. All right. I've got the cleanest R32 in the country. No, you don't. Anyway, so
a little bit of a rage there.
A little bit.
Yeah.
But yeah, so in that video, that was Horsham Developments, and that's the
company that did the tuning for this car as well.
Yeah.
And the company did the tuning on your 370.
Yeah, I like them. They're good.
They're nice blokes as well.
Yeah, good people. They know exactly what they're talking about as well.
Which helps, because we never do.
No, we're super experts, mate.
Super experts.
That's in truck experts. Hey mate, steady on. I did really good work on that Datsun truck, I think. A bloody good job on it. But if I ever get that car back. I need to actually plot out how many months it's been there now, because that'll be interesting. You know what? I think it's been there for 4 months.
It's been there a while.
I think this is the 4th month it's been there. Yeah, no, it is. Yeah. So the Datsun truck has actually been there for 4 months. This is the 4th month. Because 1 month they didn't do any work but correct the welding that they messed up. And I say messed up, ladies and gents. They didn't actually mess it up. What they did was they put some welds down. Part of it, I think, like, part of it wasn't just fully sealed. So there was a little bit of rust that came through whilst, obviously, we went to inspect it. So don't worry, I'm not bad-mouthing them. They didn't mess it up. And they corrected it anyway. It's perfect now, so don't worry. But so they didn't do anything in that month besides doing that. And then this is a month back for them, like doing major work on the truck. So yeah, anyway, yeah, 4 months. Anyway, pointless. Skyline things. Back to Skyline things. If you're enjoying this video, hit that thumbs up button, ladies and gents. Yeah. And also, as well, I looked at the analytics. I looked at the analytics on the channel, and there are 40% of people that watch the videos that are not subscribed.
Bastards.
Anyway, so if you do, if you're watching, you obviously enjoy the videos, please do hit that subscribe button. It helps, quite a long way. And turn the bell notifications on to stay up to date on all of our nonsense and our cars.
Yeah, because we've got a lot of them now.
Yeah.
Mainly nonsense, but a few cars.
Well, it's mainly nonsense over the winter period, but there will be some stuff on the Z coming up. If anyone's interested in that car, there'll be stuff on that. There'll be updates on the Pulsar, because I'm still ordering parts for the Pulsar. They're sort of coming in, and I'll be going up, and yeah, I explained it all anyway. But do hit subscribe. By Jove, ladies and gents, he thinks he's done it.
Almost.
Oh.
I've just got to unclip the 2 metal tags that are here with some scissors.
Oh. So it could be a job well done then.
I think it's a job done. I wouldn't.
All right then.
I'm not going to hold out any judgment on myself until the car starts and doesn't explode.
Yeah, true.
These aren't actually to stop any boost, there's just to hold the pipes from flapping around.
Every time you hit that, I just keep thinking like
it's all just going to collapse and smash me.
Yeah, it's not fun. So, here he is.
It's like a word, I've just been... No, I'm not going to say it again. I'm not going to say bent over. Bent over.
I mean, he has, in fairness. Like, obviously, you work on cars a lot, like, and you're just, a driveway mechanic like we are. My God, it becomes a pain in the back, leaning over these cars all the time.
That's a very polite way of saying it.
Yeah.
That's very polite.
So,
aren't you a nice little boy?
Hopefully you can't hear him. Is that done now? Are we done? Are we rounding out this car nonsense video?
I think so. Just seeing where this other hose goes to.
So there's a hose at the back which is a bit, well, not a bit loose, well, a little bit loose that he thinks could be part of it.
Let's see if the car starts.
Oh, you're going to start the car?
Yeah, we're going to start the car. Maybe open the garage door so we don't die.
Yeah, true. True.
But yeah, start the car.
All right, well, I'll let you creep past.
Thank you all. What am I doing? I am.
You're opening the
I am, but I've got to turn these off.
Yeah.
Oh, I was showing some fun parts that will be fitted to the car.
Oh yeah, actually.
Do that in a minute.
Yeah. So there are some parts to go on the R32, which will be cool. Are you going to get them painted?
Yeah, got to send them off. I keep going to do it. Sorry.
Are you going to send them to Jazz?
Yeah.
Nice.
Jazz
it starts up. Start and stop it.
Yeah.
So you got on a turbocharge? Or are you talking about oil?
Oil and stuff.
Right.
It's okay. It's better than it not starting at all.
So yeah, go on. Or do you want to show them the bits?
I'd say yeah, show them the bits.
All right,
take them over there, have a look. I made one of the hoses a bit too long, but it doesn't matter. It'll be okay.
The
red one.
red one over there. You can't see. Oh, we're going to show you some rare parts. You sound like, oh yeah, okay, as if like you didn't just tell me. You're like, oh, you were just showing the parts. And I was like, yeah. Well. You're like, oh, we're going to show them? Like, yeah, you just said. I'm repeating what you said.
How have you immediately forgotten this, Nick? Right.
So, ladies and gents.
These are Greddy. No. Gracer, but that is Greddy. Trust. Spats.
So, do you want to mock them up?
Yeah.
So these go on the back of the cars, basically.
I am in talks with someone about a carbon diffuser at the back as well.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, you kept that quiet.
But it's only recently. But this obviously is the wrong colour. But it goes.
Hence why we're talking about getting painted.
Exactly. It goes there, but it doesn't look great at the moment because there's that standard thing there. But it goes.
Hey? What standard thing?
So it has a standard.
Oh, it's got the. Oh yeah, no, sorry.
Kind of mud flaps.
Yeah.
So they obviously won't be there.
Yeah.
But weirdly,
Nick will remove his flaps.
I like my flaps. Yeah, they're quite rare themselves, those little mud flaps. So this will go on. It fits really well because it's a genuine part. You can get fake ones of these.
Yeah.
But weirdly, someone had put a body kit over the top of it. That's what all this. It's just sealant.
It's a weird thing to do, isn't it?
Tapped a hole through it.
I get that. Get that.
Well,
welded up,
you get welded.
Plastic welder.
Yeah. These holes are proper. So yeah, diffuser for the back. The same person is selling a diffuser for the front, and they're both Abflug. That's a really good brand.
Yeah.
It's a weird name, but it's a good brand.
That it sounds like a disease, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I've got Abflug, mate.
Abflug.
Oh fuck me.
It's on my back and my front.
Stay away for a bit. That Abflug. It's contagious.
Carbon Abflug.
Carbon Abflug, yeah. Fuck's sake. Well, that'd be cool, wouldn't it? That'd be good.
Yeah, I fished the front skirt parts for the 33 out of the garage as well.
Oh yeah.
It's good. Fill my garage with leaves.
Right. Well, shall we round this out so you can close the?
Yeah.
Close
get angry. Like I'm gonna have to hoover the garage.
Let's face this way.
So anyway, ladies and gents, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, please do hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and also follow myself and Nick on Instagram, Nate_carnonsense, Nick_carnonsense. There's actually links in the description box.
Yeah,
It'd be great to have you over there. But that's about it, really, isn't it? Yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.
Love you, bye.